Hello student, already we started the lesson. Dr. Dolittle learns animal language. So we learned the Polynesia, that's the parrot, started to teaching birds language to the doctor, and up to afternoon means all that afternoon the doctor learned the birds language. Now see the next remaining part. At tea time, when the dog Zip came in, the parrot said to the doctor, "See, he is talking to you. Looks to me as though he were scratching his ear," said the doctor. Now, when they are started to learning, or when their learning is over, suddenly the dog entered the room. And what the Polynesia said? "Doctor, you have to see the dog. He want to speak with you." So doctor said, "Yes, I know it." He said, "I am enter the room." He started to scratching his ears, means he started to rub his skin with the nails. Means he want to say, "You have to look at me. I came inside the room." Now see the downside para. "But animals don't always speak with their mouths," said the parrot in a high voice, raising her eyebrows. "They talk with their ears, with their feet, with their tails, with everything. Sometimes they do not want to make a noise. Do you see now the way he is twitching up one side of his nose? Now see." What the doctor said to Polynesia? Yes, I know it. What the jeep said? He entered the room. So Polynesia said, "But doctor, you have to listen. The animals always not speak with their mouths." Means they always not use their mouth to speak. Sometimes they speak with their actions. What they did? Sometimes they started to raising their eyebrows. They started to talk with their ears, their feet, their tails. Now see the children. If in our home the dog is there, when we entered the room or our house, he started to wagging her tails. Means we knows he was happy to see us. Like that way, Polynesia said, sometimes animals never speak with their mouths. They did some actions, and with the actions they can speak with us. Means sometimes animals don't want to make a noise. And now Polynesia said, now we have to see he is twitching up one side of his nose. Twitching means he quickly take his nose up. Now see the next. What does that mean? Asked the doctor. That means, cannot you see that it has stopped raining? Polynesia answered, he is asking you a question. Dogs nearly always use their noses for asking question. Now see what happened. The dog suddenly twitching up, means he take his nose up from one side. So doctor asked, what is the meaning? Why he did that action? So Polynesia said, do you know doctor, now the raining is stopped. Whatever is fallen, it was stopped. So doctor, this dog want to ask you, want to tell you. And she again told to doctor, whenever dog want to ask a question, they always use their nose. They always twitching their noses. They always use their nose to ask a question. Now, see the last para. After a while, with the parrot's help, the doctor got to learn the language of the animals so well that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. Then he gave up being a people's doctor altogether. Means with the help of the parrot, doctor can learn the animals language, and he understood the animal also can speak in their own language. They can talk with each other. They can speak with himself also. So doctor started to understand, a doctor knows the animals have a different language. So to use this language, doctor will speak with the animals and they will understood what the animals want to say us. Means doctor being altogether, he knows the people's language as well as the birds or animals language all together. So student understood the lesson. Now we will solve the question and answers of this lesson. So let's start. Question number 1. Answer the following question. And here all the questions answers are given. Question number B. Why was the doctor excited? These questions 2 answers are given. Student, as per your way you can write the answer. So you have to copy these all question answers in your notebook as well as you have to complete your workbook. Here all question given. Question number 1, A, B, C, D and E. Then question number 2, find out and write the following from the lesson. These questions answer also given here. Now question number 3, 4 and 5 you have to write on your own language. So student, again I will repeat, you have to copy this question answers in your notebook as well as workbook. Now I will give you time to copy this question and answers. You have to see this and write down. And this is your homework.